Hey there, parents. Are you gearing up to drop your child off at college for the very first time? If so, I know you have got a lot on your mind, right? There are so many last minute things to say, so many emotions you might be navigating. But today, I am here to help you with one of the most important conversations you will have before you drive away, and that's talking to your teen about money. In this video, I'm going to share three pieces of financial wisdom that will help your college students start this new chapter on the right foot. So, before you hand over those dorm keys, let's make sure they are financially prepared for the road ahead. Hey, parents, if you are dropping your kids off, I know you are about to feel all the feels. I have been through it multiple times, whether it was with our bonus son or with my nieces and nephews. But this is a big leap for you and for them, right? Into this new world, into their new world of being even more independent. So before you drive away, let's talk about three things that you should talk to your teen about because they will thank you later. All right. First things first, budgeting is about to become their new bestie. So college life, of course, comes with its own price tag, right? It has the books for all their classes, social events, their how they are eating, whether that's on the meal plan or if they live off campus or if they're eating at the eateries around campus. I want you to encourage them to set up a very simple budget to track their spending. And so for our college students, I highly recommend they use the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% goes towards their needs, 30% goes towards their wants, and 20% goes towards saving and investing. And so during this time, it's all about them learning and adjusting. So give them a little space, but encourage them to set up this simple budget to start tracking their spending. All right. Next up, I want to talk to you about credit cards. Now, listen, credit cards can be a blessing or a curse. So make sure your teen understands credit before they start swiping, okay? It can feel like new money, but it is not. So I want you to break down how interest works. I want you to talk to them about the pitfalls of them only making the minimum payments on their cards and the impact that that can have on their credit score. Now, if they do get a card, it should be likely just for emergencies or for building their credit, not for everyday expenses. And so if your teen needs a crash course on credit, I'm going to drop below this video a link to our Credit 101 workshop on what every teen needs to know about credit. All right. Number three, finally, I want you to remind your teen that it is okay. It is okay for them to ask for help before they make a big financial decision. Okay. So even though they may be out on their own, they may be faced with whether or not they need to choose to apply for a student loan. They might be considering getting a part time job while they are studying, or they may even be thinking about investing, right? And so, no matter what the topic is, you are still their go to. So, encourage them to hit you up before they sign any dotted lines, before they sign any paperwork. And this first year is crucial. It is so important. So just stay engaged with them, especially when it comes to money, when it comes to finances, because it can make all the difference. So, as your teen steps into this new chapter, your guidance is going to be important. I need you to just stay connected, but not overbearing. Keep those lines of communication open and don't shy away from the money talks. You've got this, and so do they. So, cheers to a first year in college.